Welcome, traders, to another trade of the day. And today we go to the moon with AMC, guys. So let's hit that little ape and let's go to the upside here on AMC. Look, we identified it today real early. It was on our sticky note. It was kind of an easy one. Why? Because look, they had the most visitors, the most admissions since, I guess, pre-pandemic levels. I think it goes back to February of 2020. So the tick before the pandemic. And we get to the upside. Look, we're only up 3%. Did we expect more? To be honest with you, yes, we did. But it's been on a pretty big, here's the daily chart here. It's been on a pretty big move down from $53 just back in early, or I guess late August, all the way down today to 36 and change. So, we did identify this bottom. We put this mark here. That's basically $36, as rough as I can get it. So that was a level there that we were sort of looking at, right? Maybe even a little bit lower than 36 as the line carries forward to here. It's about 35.50, 35.40. So if you see in the middle here, these were some of these bottoms. I know I don't want to give my trade all the way to 33. That's going to be a problem. But we thought that, hey, maybe we bounce off 36. And not only that, that level that we built almost comes into play again here. We go down to 35.50 this morning, holds, then the bounce up. And that's really what we're looking for, is a hold down here. So we can see that it's holding these levels today on positive news. So what do we decide to do? The same as usual, guys. We go long at that very first entry. That's okay, Rob. You can show that right there at 36. So if we go to the big chart, there we go. You can see our first entry there. And then we get out almost instantly for only about 25 pennies. Small trade, but we're just scalping this out, okay? We do feel like we may be able to reload down here. It just came from here up and down, okay? But we don't get the reload opportunity lower. So we let it fade back down, and that's exactly what happens. It actually breaks through, and then this is where we use these pre-market levels as our targets. Could it come all the way back to the downside? Yes, and that's where we would get out. So we would have, at that point, this is a 35.80 reload. So yeah, that would be about a 50-cent hit on the way down. But look what happens now. Then all of a sudden, a nice explosion back to the upside. We get out at 36 again, another 20 cents. So we've gone 25.20 in our pocket. Now it's 45 cents. But we hold on because we are waiting for that bigger move. And then here it comes. Boom, boom, boom. Take advantage of these big spikes up here. Put it out at 36.75. High of the day, 37. Give it 25 cents. I think that's worth it. So there's an in there, 35.80 or so, and then an out at about 36.80. So we do wind up taking that smooth dollar. We have about $1.20 at some point. And as you can see right now, 36.69 is where we're trading at right now on AMC. So we did pretty good getting out there pretty much at where we are now. So absorb this, go long, and pick your spots. Join us every day at 8:30, and I think this is when you're going to get the ideas that we were looking long, looking for levels. We find them here. We're back at 3 o'clock. Join us then for the Power Hour. This has been your Trade of the Day on AMC, baby.